Good morning to all of you. As per the Daksha schedule, this is today we all are presenting our startup projects. Startup is just defined as the new business ideas, innovations towards the market or towards the corporate sector, corporate world. This is one type of means new creativity, new innovations, new thoughts to bring the market in terms of startups.
This startup I make partnership with Shivnarayan Pradhan, my college friend and batchmates. This is the our project photo and our project name is HOSO. HOSO stands for Home Associated Services in Odisha, and this company's vision and missions are this. Mission is fast and reliable home based services to mankind, and vision is serves the solution. Requirement is a software, an app, room for office, computer for operations and employees, and capital and finance. Business description: these are the listed works we provide to customers. We behave as like a mediator or third party, which and next what is financial. These are the costs will be written in this for particular things. How much costs are and the employee needs for operating the apps and the business is for and current expenses. These are the expenses we facing every month to operate our app and service, and the income part in for which account months which particular we have received, how much of money we have written in this, and as per our commission we taking 15% commission from every revenue which is earned by employee. It's a good thing that we promoting our services through digital media and by paid actors, and advantage of our company is easy to access, less time consuming, service at reasonable price, customer time flexibility. Conclusion is our company is grow day by day, and it's popular due to the lockdown and shutdown. People are using our online apps.
It's coming to our app. These are the front page will shown in the Play Store. To access our app, you have to search Hosso, and these are the pictures shown by you to recognize our services. These are we themed for our apps. First of all, you have to enter your mobile number to get registered, and after registration, you have to select the location which we provide. Then also you can reach our services, and then it shows you how does it work, means what type of work we provide. You have to choose one of them, or your according to your need you have to choose. These are the picture id works shown to easily evaluate the work role. And then also you then after you get your profile, in the profile you also provide some features for registration and reference or refer and earn option also available, which will you get some bonus or gift ticket vouchers. And then after it shows you the service or repairing or installation or move. These are the particular mechanisms or electronics media or which you have to select. These are the themed works that our employee do in your home or works doorstep, which you have to select one of them, or you have to comparatively select two or three according to your need, which will be we provide in very frequently. After choosing your service booked, means select scheduled for work processing, and you can also track your service or booked service, which will be shown in step by step process. It's very transparent, and you also able to rate our technicians and also see their previous ratings, and after the work is over you pay the fees, and as we online receives, and if you not able to online, then you will also offline available. And these are the one key point is the refer and earn option. You have to refer someone, then you will get some vouchers, gift cards, which will be redeemed in your next service. And you also comment regarding the service in YouTube or our company websites, and you have to select the service rating and satisfaction rating, which will you satisfy. And thank you.